What's going on, everyone? So this is a quick video, just trying to show you the Jifu Smartmonics Scanner and what we call the Jifu Smartmonics Scanner. This is a scanner that combines two things. It combines harmonic patterns, and for the people who like trading smart money concept, this is for you. Okay. For example, I'm going to be taking at right now as I'm recording this video. This is a trade that has been shared here, and this is a gold trade. Okay, it's basically following the concept of liquidity grabs. As you can be able to see here, you can be able to see there are some liquidity grab zones that have been drawn, and then it draws for you. This is a supply zone that has been given, and the good thing about the scanner is I like about it is it always gives you a very concrete risk to reward. So, for example, if you take a look at the risk reward that you've been given here, this being the entry and this being the stop loss here, I would want us to take a look at the RR so that you can be able to see. Okay, so you can be able to see this is an exactly 1:2 risk reward for gold. So how do you use the smart money concept? And I just want us to confirm this trade on TradingView. As you're playing it right now, you can be able to see this is a supply zone that I had drawn, thinking that price will actually make a reaction from that because it is an origin of this move. Can be able to see anytime prices kind of gets into that zone, it drops. Anytime prices got into that zone, it drops. So anytime price gets into this area, we can be able to expect a push, and that was exactly the push that the scanner was able to give us. Okay, this, so you can be able to see. Good thing about this scanner is it is able to give you like those sniper entry points. Like for example, if I was using TradingView, most likely this is where I will have maybe taken my trade from. Okay, after that reaction, after those candles have happened that way, maybe this is where I will have gotten into my trade. And right now it couldn't have yet hit my 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 entry, my target. But with the scanner, it is very easy. The scanner actually gives you the sniper entry zones. Okay, so for example, here it is able to give you the entry, gives you the number, gives you the invalid zone, and gives you the target. Okay, you can be able also to take a look at another trade even on the higher time frames. You can be able to go on the 30 minutes time frame, for example. In the 30 minutes time frame, you can be able to see. Can you guys see exactly? This is the zone that I had drawn. So when you draw these zones as a human and when you draw with them with the AI definitely is way much accurate. Okay, it is way much accurate. I'm sure if you could have taken this cell from this area, this would have been a very good cell. Right now here also you would have taken it. This will be a very good cell, and it's all about the confirmations. If you also go, let's say on the 15 minutes time frame, it's still the same thing, guys. Take a look. So for this, you want to always have a confirmation candle. Okay, so it has gotten into your supply zone. Like for example, this is a supply zone. So how could you take this trade after getting into your supply zone? It wants to give you, you want to see a confirmation candle, which usually occurs to be a yellow candle or a black candle. Maybe we can take a look at other pairs. For example, as I'm recording this video right now, we're expecting to be having maybe London session to be opening up. So if we go to GBP you can be able to see if we can be able to take a look at if there will be any trade idea that we will consider. So for example, this was an entry which was a buy that was being given. Where was the buy given? I think the buy was given here, guys. Okay, here. This is where the buy was given. Okay, good. You can be able to see the candle that I'm talking about. You can be able to see the black candle. So you put a buy limit here, long position. Okay, so far you have been able to see the both trades that I'm showing you are actually heading towards the direction that the AI is actually predicting. Okay, so That was the target, 1:2, real quick. It was able to be hit very, very well. Okay, you can be able to see price was able to come all the way to that. So let's see what happens today. Let's see what happens today. That was a very, very quick sweet buy. Most likely you can be able to see also it is drawing for you like major it is drawing major supply and demand zones. Like you can be able to see this is a demand zone here, that when price gets here, we'll expect price maybe to react from it. Another demand zone here, when price gets there, we'll be able to see price having a reaction. If you go to, if you change the time frame also, it will draw for you other areas that we might expect to see price reacting from. Okay, we might expect to see price reacting from. So another trade that we could take maybe during London session would be, let's say, for example, we can look at Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Let's take a look at what it has for us. So the good thing also about the scanner is if it does not see an entry, it will not give you any entry. Okay, if it does not see you meeting all the confirmation. So for example, here there's nothing. So anytime you just see that there's nothing on the charts, just leave it. Okay, for example, here we have an entry. So but now the problem about this entry is it had not gotten into our zone completely. Okay, it had not gotten into our zone, but you can be able to see we had a reaction here. So what we usually do is each and every time we always get a reaction like this one because we're expecting just price to push up. This already is a 1:1. I'm very sure. Yes, you can be able to see that is a 1:1. So if you get as a 1:1, you just move your stop loss to break even so that when you have a reversal like this, it might not stop you out. Ideally, that is the Smartmonix. That is how it works. That is how it has been analyzing. We have other scanners also, guys. Each, if you're a price action, if you're a scalper, we have this golden era. For this golden era, it is actually for scalping gold. It is for scalping gold completely. As you can see in these other pairs, it's not like working so well. So if you put gold, you want just to look at the 5 minute time frame and it will always scalp. Okay, like for example, right now it is giving you a setup. So let's take a look at the setup. Okay, this is for scalping, 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 scalping. Okay, scalping gold. It will always give you the entry, it will always give you the exit every single time. So most likely you want to use the 5 minutes time frame. So with the 5 minutes time frame, it's definitely going to confirm where the price is going to enter, and you use it to scalp. You use it to scalp. Okay, so if you want to join Jifu and you want to get access to these amazing scanners, what you'll want to do is the link on the descriptions below, or if you've been able to see this video from someone who has been able to send you, maybe that's a business partner that we are on this business. So what you want to do is just go reach out to them. They'll give you a link. They'll help you get started. They'll help you sign up. And welcome to the Jifu community, guys. My name is Moabu FX, and this is Team Legends Worldwide. Cheers. I'm going to see you on the beaches of the world and on the other side. So make sure to actually look at how you can be able to get access. Reach back to the person who has sent you on this call, or you can be able to check the links in the description. See you on the other side.